Hello, in this video we're going to show you how to assemble this dining chair, so let's get into it. Just a quick disclaimer, these tips don't cover every step, so make sure you follow the instructions and complete all the steps in order. In step 1, we're going to start off by attaching the seat to the back of the chair. And for this we just want to put the flat edge up against this part here. And then we'll go ahead and use the short bolts for this. We just want to make sure that on all of these bolts we put the lock washer first, and then the normal washer second, and then those can just go into the holes and line up with the ones inside. So we'll go ahead and do those finger tight, and then we'll tighten them the rest of the way with our Allen key. Just like that. And then in step 2, we're going to take our long bolts with their washers on them, and we're going to put them into the holes here. Okay, and then we'll go ahead and tighten them the rest of the way with the hex key. Alright, and then once those are all in, we can move on to step 3, which is attaching the legs. We just want to make sure we have the proper legs for this. So when we attach the legs, they should rest flush like this, with this curved part towards the inside of the chair. And these holes should line up on the inside. So we'll go ahead and use our medium length bolts for this. And these go in these holes here. Okay, and now we can move on to step 4, which is just attaching the other leg. Alright, and then once those are all in, we're done. We hope this video was helpful for you. For more tips, tricks, and guides, go to walkeredison.com.